After tasting this cake, I bet you would hardly have a need for sugar in your cake recipes again. Hi Rock Fam, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we're making date cakes as promised in my apology video, but my friend Jovia has a gist for us, so you hear her voice next and I will come back to sign out. Please check the screen for the list of ingredients used and their measurements.
Hi, hello everyone, Jovia here, and it feels so good to be here with you guys. I actually feel like I'm sitting in a room with all of you listening and watching me. But yeah, I hope I do great. So first off, I want to say a very big thank you to Aegis for giving me this platform to have this gist with you guys. Like I said, I hope I do great. So I will be talking to you guys today about settling down. I used to think in my head that the pressure of settling down was more on ladies than guys, until I had a conversation with a male friend and he made me understand that the pressure is also on them as well. And that's when I had to calm down and see it from a balanced pivot rather than thinking it was more on ladies. So there was a time I blocked my mom for 3 months because she kept going on and on about how she wanted to meet who I was dating, and sadly I wasn't dating anybody at that time and I could not present to her a ghost. So I felt the best way to do that was to shut her out. It took the grace of family members and friends to talk me out of it and unblock her. And the conversation wasn't a funny one that we had afterwards. But yeah, this is me just saying that it can be a lot when it comes to the ideal time your family wants you to settle down, because their time is not your time and they don't even care if you're mentally ready, financially or physically ready to settle down or to have a partner in your life here. So this was months back, a long time ago. But I think right now my headspace, I think it's clear, and I know that I'm at this point in my life where I really want to settle down. And when I say this, I know people ask me, why do you want to settle down now? And the only response I have to give them is because I know that I have so much love to give and I am tired. I am tired of channeling that love into something I know that is not long term, something I know that won't last. So I feel I want to build a home, I want to have a partner, and I want to genuinely love them for the rest of my life. I know that this is my own person, and I know the love I'm putting into this is not going to waste. I don't know if you get me, but that is the point where I am at right now. And I know that whoever it is I'm going to end up with, I'm going to love the hell out of that person. And this is not a cry for husband application, because I already have someone in my life right now. And I know to an extent we've had that conversation about settling down. But if eventually that person is not who God wants for me, I'm fine by it, because I know I have told God that I am ready. And whoever he brings my way, I hope that person loves God as much as I do, and I hope that the person is willing to work on myself and whatever it is we are ready to build as much as I want to. So yeah guys, I know my reason might not be as valid to you as it is to me, but yes, it's my reason. And remember, your time is not their time and their time is not your time, so don't let anybody pressure you. Thanks for listening guys. Bye.
Your time is not my time. Your time is not my time, Mommy Adasa. Maybe I should send this video to her. I should bring more of my friends to talk on this channel, because so much wisdom when they speak, you guys. Try out this cake recipe. If I give you a piece of this cake without telling you that there's no sugar in this cake, you would have no idea, because it tastes so nice and the dates gives you such a nice flavor. You should definitely try this out. I promise you, have good reviews. I bet you. Let me know when you try it out. Like, share, tell me what you think about the recipe and our gist for today. Watch out for our weekly polls that starts on Mondays and ends on Wednesdays to choose what we are going to make for this week. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and share this recipe. Share with your family and friends. Share the love. Is enough to go around. Stay safe, stay woke. I love you. Mwah.